Hello children, welcome back. We are doing lesson 3, that is chart in Excel. In the previous class I have told you different type of charts in Excel, and today I am going to explain you the remaining topics. So the first is how to create a chart in Excel. Children, to create a chart in Excel, first of all you need data. Just like it is given in figure 3.15, the data is given. So in the same way, in a worksheet you have to make a table like this, and then select the range of cells from the worksheet that contains the source data for the chart. Then click on the Insert tab and go to Charts group. Now click on any chart type like column and select the chart subtype from the displayed choices. The chart appear on a worksheet. You will observe that 3 new tabs named Design tab, Layout tab and Format tab appear in the Chart tool contextual menu. Now select the desired layout from the Chart Layouts group on the Design tab. Then choose the desired style from the Chart Styles group and observe the change. All the titles, data labels, legend details mentioned in the selected data range will be displayed in the chart. If the selected range has no details about titles, label, etc., you can insert these in the chart by moving the Layout tab and clicking on the desired button. To change the data range of your chart, right click on it and click on the Select Data option from the shortcut menu. The Select Data Source dialog box appears. Click OK after making the desired changes. So in this way you can create a chart. Now the second topic is how to move, resize or delete the chart in Excel. Once you have created an embedded chart in a worksheet, you can resize it, delete it and move it from one place to another if needed. So to do this, follow the given steps. The first one is select the chart by clicking on it. Then move the chart, place the cursor on the chart area. A 4-headed arrow appears. Press and drag it in order to move the chart in any location. Release the mouse button to place it at the desired location. Now to resize the chart, position the mouse pointer on any of the corner border of the chart. You will observe that the changes to a double headed arrow. Now drag the handle in the desired direction to change the size accordingly. To delete the chart from the worksheet, click anywhere in the chart to select it and then press the delete key. Now formatting a chart. Formatting improves the appearance of a chart. You can format the chart by changing its title, text, font, line color, width, border style, legend, data series, etc. You can also change the number on value axis, hide or show grid lines. You can format the chart in various ways. The first one, click on the Insert tab and select any chart type. Then choose Layout tab. Select the chart element that you want to format. Now changing the plot area background, you can modify the chart by changing its background. And to do this, right click on the plot area and select the Format Plot Area option. The Format Plot Area dialog box appears. Select border style, border color, shadow, etc. according to your choice. By default, the Fill tab is selected. Select the Solid Fill option in the right pane. Click on the color button and select the desired color from the drop down menu. Click on the close button and observe the change. Likewise, you can change the background of the chart area by selecting the Format Chart Area option from the shortcut menu. Now inserting the chart title. Once you insert the chart, you need to specify the chart title. It gives the idea about the kind of data a chart contains. Moreover, it enhances the appearance of a chart. To insert a chart title in Excel, follow the given steps. The first one is select the chart. Click on the chart title button in the labels group on the Layout tab. Select the desired option from the drop down list of the options specifying the position of the chart title. Suppose you select the above chart option. A text box will appear right above the chart with chart title written inside it. Now formatting the chart title. After assigning a chart title, you can also format it. So there are two ways to format a chart title. The first method is select the chart title, click on the chart title button in the labels group on the text layout tab. A drop down menu will appear, select the more title options and format chart title dialog box appears. Now you can format your chart title by using the available option. The second method is right click on the chart title, select the format chart title option from the shortcut menu. The format chart title dialog box appears. You can modify the chart title by using various formatting options available in this dialog box. Now formatting the axis. An axis is the side of a chart that contains the values according to which a chart is plotted. When a bar chart or a column chart is created, it has an x-axis and y-axis. However, you can customize the scale to meet your needs and requirements. So follow these steps. Click on the chart to select it. Point the mouse at y-axis. Right click on it and select the format axis option from the shortcut menu. The format axis dialog box will open. The axis option tab is selected by default. Click on the fixed radio button for minimum field and enter 20 in the text box. Similarly, enter 200 in the text box of the maximum field. Click on the close button. The scale on the chart changes accordingly. Likewise, change the properties of x-axis. To insert a data label, click on data series and choose add data label from the shortcut menu. Now formatting a legend. Legend is a box that identifies the pattern or colors assigned to a data series in a chart. It helps in reading the chart accurately. Legends mostly appear on the right of a chart. You can place them anywhere in a chart area as per your choice. So you can format text, background, boundary and color of a legend. Right click on the legend boundary and select format legend option. The format legend dialog box will open. Click on the border color tab and select the solid line option. Choose the desired color. Select the border styles tab. Click on the dash type drop down list and select any style. Define the thickness of the border style in the width spin box. To position the legend on the chart, click on the legend option tab. Select the bottom radio button. Click on close. The legend will be placed on the bottom of the chart. Now formatting data series. We can format a data series by changing the bar colors, lines, slices and shifting their positions. Let us follow these steps. The first one is right click on the data series. Select format data series option from the shortcut menu. The format data series dialog box will open. Click on the fill tab. Choose the picture or texture fill option. Click on the texture drop down button and select any texture from the displayed choices. Click on the shadow tab and select the desired format from presets drop down menu. Click on the close button. So children, the chapter is finished, and for better understanding of the chapter I would like to suggest you one thing. The activity section that is given in your book at page number 43, one lab session is given, and please try to do the lab session. All the steps are given and everything I have explained already in the chapter. So please try to do it in your computer and try to do all these exercises that are given here at the end of your chapter. True, false, fill in the blanks, multiple choice questions and question answers.